The dream of a Pro iPad mini has been haunting Apple fans for years. We want the 120Hz ProMotion, the OLED blacks, and the raw power of an M-series chip in a frame that fits in a jacket pocket. But what if I told you that the iPad mini Pro you've been waiting for isn't actually an iPad at all? Recent leaks and a massive shift in Apple's launch strategy suggest that the ultimate small-screen tablet is actually going to be the iPhone Fold. This isn't just another rumor. We are looking at a $2,400 powerhouse that could change everything we know about mobile computing. For a long time, the iPad mini has lived in a strange middle ground. It is too big to be a phone, but almost too small to be a serious Pro tablet. Apple knows this. That is why they haven't given us the Pro features we keep asking for. They aren't being lazy. They're clearing the stage for something much bigger. The latest reports suggest a 7.8-inch internal display for the upcoming foldable iPhone. When you realize the current iPad mini has an 8.3-inch screen, the math starts to get scary for tablet lovers. You're looking at a device that is only half an inch smaller than the mini, but it fits in your pocket and makes phone calls. This is the one-device rule in action. People are tired of carrying a bag full of chargers and glass slabs. If you can have a pro-grade tablet that folds into a phone, the dedicated iPad mini starts to look like a relic of the past. Apple is also changing how they sell these devices to make sure the Fold shines. Usually, all iPhones drop in September, but the new split launch strategy changes the game. Rumors say the iPhone 18 Pro models will launch in the fall, while the standard models move to early the next year. This creates a massive gap in the September schedule. That gap is the perfect spot for a high-end, luxury foldable. By moving the cheaper iPhones out of the way, Apple ensures that your eyes stay fixed on the most expensive, most advanced piece of tech they have ever made. They don't want a $799 phone stealing the spotlight from a $2,400 masterpiece. Under the hood, this foldable is expected to be a monster. We are talking about the A20 Pro chip built on a 2nm process. It will likely feature everything the iPad mini lacks. ProMotion for buttery, smooth scrolling, Face ID for seamless security, and a stunning OLED panel. This effectively turns the iPhone Fold into the iPad mini Pro we've been begging for. It addresses the cannibalization problem perfectly. The Fold becomes the ultra-premium choice for power users, while the standard iPad mini stays behind as the budget-friendly option for kids, pilots, or casual readers. It's a genius move by Apple to segment the market and force the most excited buyers toward the highest price tag. My honest opinion on this is a mix of pure excitement and a little bit of sadness. As someone who loves the iPad mini form factor, the idea of it being replaced by a $2,400 phone is tough to swallow. However, the convenience of having one device that does everything is the future. If Apple can truly eliminate the screen crease, as the rumors suggest, they will leapfrog every other foldable on the market. We are moving toward a world where your phone is your computer, and your computer is your phone. The iPad mini Pro isn't a myth anymore. It's just evolving into something that fits in your pocket. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the future of Apple tech. Would you like me to expand on the specific technical specs of that rumored A20 chip or move on to how this affects the rest of the iPad lineup?